he's good. He have traded and have got a lot of profits from other accounts here. I can see they've got even a building, very nice building here around that Chato.
That's amazing. Hello everyone and welcome back to another TFT interview. Today I have the pleasure to host Damian, who comes from Tanzania. Welcome, Damian.
Thank you.
Can you please tell us a little bit about yourself and what got you into trading?
Damian is from Tanzania. So he started trading since 2018 till now.
And how did he start? How did he find trading?
I saw one of the broker called FXTM on Google.
Just Google, and then started.
Then I started to follow there. Then I decided to start trading on there.
Okay, amazing. And can you tell us a little bit about the learning process? How did you learn to trade?
I learned through on YouTube.
Through YouTube, attending seminars. There is a year I attended seminars from Tanzania. Some pro traders here in Tanzania are conducting seminars, or he learned from there.
Okay.
And there is seminars I've attended, not such much, but most learning are from online learning, from like these kind of Zoom meetings that people who are,
Did you have a trading mentor?
I have one.
There's one trading mentor.
He's from Tanzania also.
Okay. And what is your edge? Like, what kind of strategy do you have? Do you focus on price action or you use some indicators?
I'm using the price action or zone-to-zone strategy.
And what did you struggle with the most? What was the hardest part in the learning process?
The issue is only problem. The problem on trading here, I get the only problem is on time. You know, he's working somewhere, so he's not well sticked in trading. So you get a little time on sticking on trading. Once you get a chance, you do that way. But obviously, that is a big problem on him.
Patience.
He had a job. A certain job, so that job is consuming much of his time to an extent he's not able to stick enough time and learning and developing a good strategy in trading. But obviously he's good. He have traded and have got a lot of profits from other accounts here. I can see they've got even a building, very nice building here around that Chato.
That's amazing.
Yes.
That's amazing. So he's still working at another job and plus trading, right?
Yes, that is what he's doing.
Okay, perfect. And how long time did it take you to become profitable? How long time did it take you to learn and find your strategy?
Oh, since last year to 2022, and January to February there, he got a lot of profit. From there is when we say he started to be a profitable trader.
When did you started learning? When did you start learning?
Learning back in 2018. I lost a lot of money. By investing in somewhere, by using account managers from Telegram there. So I lost a lot of money. That's why I started to engage directly back in last year.
And how did you react on when you lost a lot of money? Was it hard psychologically? What did you do? What did make? How did you continue? What gave you the motivation to continue after losing money?
The motivation, I knew I could be a profitable trader. That's why I decided to quit all kind of account managers, robots, and such thing like this. That's why I decided to trade myself.
The money news is minted, but then I have learned, that each money invested is ready to lose. So once he get a loss of it, it's just upon him and trying to know that to fix his psychology on how he can proceed on. So he turned back and running then he proceeded with the trading.
Yeah. And what did you do to improve your psychology?
Learning from the mistakes.
Okay. Yeah. Did you read any books, like listen to podcasts that are focused on trading psychology? Something on YouTube maybe?
I've only studied books that are not of psychology, but of technical trade. Something's technical, leading charts. Yeah, not of psychology.
Do you have a specific routine before you start analyzing the charts?
Yes, especially analyzing the market after.
We say that is London session.
Yeah.
Trading normal in London session after work. Normal after work, after job, and a little bit in New York. But he has some strategy he use that is just fixing and watching the market, how it goes, and then he enter in a good position.
Mm-hmm. Yes. And what instruments are you trading? Are you trading forex, indices, commodities maybe?
I'm mixing, but especially in these currencies.
And gold. And which one is your favorite one?
Currencies. I trade all currencies.
The
most favorite is it's the GBP USD and Euro USD.
GBP USD and Euro USD. What type of trader are you? Are you a day trader, scalper, swinger?
I mix the two things. Sometimes I use the day trade strategy. Sometimes I can swing.
And do you manage the trade? Do you manage the trade actively?
Like use of stop loss?
Yeah, stop loss, taking partials, moving the stop loss to break even.
Yes.
Like, do you have rules about it?
I'm using it.
Yeah, and can you tell us a little bit how you manage the trade? How you put your stop loss? How you put your TP?
My aim for stop loss, I enter
after analyzing the market.
After analyzing the market, I enter 40 pips only. I risk only 40 pips. I find more than 100 pips.
So your risk to reward is 1 to 2 point something, right? One.
Yes.
And is it always the same, or you change it sometimes?
I change when the market is good. But stop loss remain there, 40 pips. But profit can go even 200 pips, 300 pips sometimes.
Depending on the lot.
Yeah.
And how do you know when to execute and when to take out the trade? Do you have specific rules that you have written that you are following?
When the market changes the direction, normally when he's lead the chart, maybe the market have not already reached the profit, and then trying to change the direction in the way is taking away his profits, then he can exit. Yes, that is what he's doing.
Okay. Normally, when you analyze the chart, do you go from daily time frame down to which time frame? Like, which time frames do you use to analyze, and which time frame do you use to execute?
I starting on monthly time frame to analyze. After there, I'll go to weekly. Then after weekly, I go direct to 4 hour. And that 4 hour, I will use it to trigger a trade.
Okay, so you trade from the 4 hour chart.
Yeah. Yes.
And how is do you manage the trade? Do you take partials?
Sometimes I can take partial. Sometimes I can take a full.
And do you trade news as well? Do you pay attention to fundamentals?
I don't like it. News, I don't like it because I know.
You don't trade. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you only focus on technical analysis.
Yeah. Yes.
And you avoid news. You don't trade news.
I avoid news. I know.
So you can lead some fundamentals, know how, when the market is going, the direction of the market, depending on the current fundamental or sentiments. Then I have seen him using those news to enter the trade, but not just. But obviously, he don't trade. Maybe there is a news of a NFP today.
Yeah.
So this is coming. Checking the time. The news is coming. Let me enter the trade. according to the news, what is happening in the market. No, can't do like that. You don't do like that. You only trade when there is no news for the time, and when there is news coming, exit from the market.
Yeah. News are risky. It can lead to slippage and losses. And how, like, are you also learning from him? It sounds like you know a little bit as well.
Sorry, madam. We are here together as if we are learning together. We are just as a group,
That's
trading.
Good.
Sometimes we need to be in a group. We share knowledge and some sort of technical analysis and fundamentals.
Support each other.
Yeah. That's what you do.
How are you dealing with the losing streak? Like when you have many losses in a row?
Well, a certain day, I quit the market for that day. I waited for another day so I can enter again.
So, and do you have any other kind of fear, like fear of missing out? And how are you dealing with the emotions when in trading?
Normally, we know that market is not one direction. We can say that is going to buy. Then I should relax and be sure that let me use 10 lot size. No. He's not sure all of time. So his psychology is on that one. His motion. He avoid being direct. That is, this market now is going to buy. Let me put this lot size. No. He's not. He's
so
avoiding that.
He is calm. He's patient and waiting.
Patient,
and
He's patient because of those markets are not. And dynamic markets are dynamic, obviously.
Yeah. So, what are your plans for the future with trading and in life? What are your goals?
Okay, he said that his plan is to proceed on trading, and he don't think he will stop on trading. That's why, and he have said that he don't see any profitable business other than trading.
That's great.
Yes, and say moreover, I want to start teaching, even teaching.
My son and the daughter.
He want to teach his even relatives.
That's amazing. Yeah. That's incredible. Yeah. And can you tell me a little bit more about the strategy that you use? Like, what did you learn? Where did you learn the things that you're using? And what is your strategy look like?
Generally, we can say his trading is not scalping. You can say is not scalping the market.
Yeah, I understood from the pips and the time frame. That he's more of a swing trader.
For the market, he analyze it and then enter. You don't see the position to enter, he waits. So you can't see a lot of orders from him just entering the market at any time. He's systematic trader, you can say. He use what he see and not...
I understand. And what advice would you give to new traders that are just getting started?
He say advise him or her to learn first. He should learn first. He can't start trading without learning. That's his advice.
And how did you find TFT? How is your experience with us?
I found you through different Telegram groups. There is a trader who use your service. So I saw there, then I decided to go direct to buy. And I didn't buy a small account. I take a huge account, 300K, and I decided to trade on this account. And I passed this account within 2 months. First phase, I used almost 15 days. And phase 2, I used 1.5 months. I completed all 2 phases on 2 months. And my real account, I started trading on my real account back in February. Yes, this year.
Okay. And how is your experience with us? What do you like about TFT?
I like the way
they treat
the customers, especially on sub-customer support.
Yeah.
And if you ask some questions, the answer you answer very quickly. Yeah, your response is very good, and I rated that film on Trustpilot several times by appreciating what you are doing there.
Thank you so much for your time and for sharing your experience with us. I wish you best of luck with your trading and your future plans. And thanks so much again. To all of you watching, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Trade safe, and until next time.